In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim home office deduction in TurboTax. If you're self-employed and you use part of your home regularly for business, TurboTax makes it fairly simple to get to the section where you can enter that information. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can find the right area and continue through the deduction flow with confidence. To begin, log into TurboTax and open your return. Once you're on the main tax dashboard, move your cursor to the income section in the top navigation. Hovering here opens the area where TurboTax groups the different types of earnings and related tax details. This is the starting point for getting to your business income and expenses. From there, click on Wages and Income Summary. This page gives you an overview of the income categories already entered into your return, and it's also where you can jump into sections that still need updating. If you have multiple income sources, take a second to make sure you're working in the correct category before moving forward. Next, scroll until you find Self-Employment Income and Expenses. This is the section tied to business activity, and it's where TurboTax generally includes deductions related to running your business, including home office use. Once you locate it, click Add Edit. That will open the details for your self-employment information so you can continue making updates. On the next screen, TurboTax will ask a yes or no question related to continuing with this business section. Here, click Yes. This confirms that you want to proceed and work through the business expense area. If you're following along with your own return, this is a good point to pause and make sure the business listed is the right one, especially if you report more than one self-employed activity. After that, simply continue through the prompts. TurboTax will guide you step by step from here, and this is where you'll move deeper into the deduction workflow. Go slowly, read each screen carefully, and make sure the details you enter match how you actually use your home for business. Accuracy matters here, especially for tax deductions. And that's it for getting to the home office deduction area in TurboTax. Once you've reached this section, you're in the right place to keep going and complete the deduction details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.